Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. I think everyone knows already that Stitch Fix is an online styling service. You fill out a style profile, you tell them what your budget is, you pay them $20, they'll curate a box of items for you, 5 items. Keep what you love, send back what you don't love, and you don't get charged until you actually decide what to keep, and that $20 gets applied to whatever you keep. Don't keep anything, lose that 20 bucks. They have the now defunct styling pass. I still have it. I renewed in July. If you've been up for renewal now, you most likely were terminated unless you were considered quote unquote profitable, whatever that means to Stitch Fix. So I know a lot of YouTubers have been doing this, have actually lost their style pass. I still have mine until July, so I'm taking advantage of it and getting as many boxes as I can. Well, within reason, right? You know, once a month, or if I happen to see a lot on Freestyle, I'll ask for another one. Now, just recently, when I saw that what I got in this box, I wasn't too hopeful, so I then went on, and I have to admit, most of it's my fault. They gave me a preview, and I selected 4 out of 5 items. But then after I selected those items, I'm like, you know, maybe I should have asked my stylist to look for the things that I really wanted. So I kind of selected items that I was just kind of like, yeah, send them along, versus, ooh, I want that. So I have, they sent along these items that I was interested in, but not, I was kind of like lukewarm interested in, and hopefully that makes sense. So the first thing that I received, and I styled all these things the way I would wear them, is the Mark and Spruce Sharon cowl neck, and they're calling this the color purple, and I would call this more of a mauve than a purple, for $78. This sweater has been around for years, and I've actually had this sweater in the past in a different color, but I never kept it. I like this sweater. There's nothing wrong with it, but I do think that this is quite large and baggy on me, and I don't remember if the other one fit the same way or not. So I'll stand back. It is a size extra small, but because I'm so petite, this comes down quite long, almost like a tunic length. And I think, honestly, the collar is just a little bit overwhelming for my frame. I'll come a little bit closer so you can see the texture and the pattern of the knitting. It does have the thumb holes. I like the sweater a lot, but again, I don't think the fit is the greatest on me, and I'm not in love with it. I paired it with my medium wash denim that I got from Every, which was also the same denim I happen to be wearing today, and ivory boots. And the style card had it paired with medium wash denim and a pair of tan boots. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted this sweater is because I like the color, and I thought it might go nicely with this denim jacket that I got myself from Nordstrom. It's by Cut. Okay. Is it by Cut or Liverpool? I always get the two confused. Sorry, this one is by Liverpool. And I thought it would go nicely with this, which I think it does, and you can definitely wear, even though it's a sweater, it's so stretchy and everything, it's easily worn over the sweater. But again, I just don't think for, what did I say, $79 or $78, I don't think this is the sweater for me. I don't think it's extremely flattering on me, and I just think it's just a little bit too big for my frame. So I'm going to be sending this one back. Give me a minute, and I'll try on the next item for you. Okay, next up is this 41 Hawthorne Garcelle soft square fitted rib top in burgundy, size extra small, for $42. Now this is just a regular top, and the material on this is 95% modal, 5% spandex. It is a nice material. It is ribbed, as you can see here. Has the square neckline. I'm short, remember that, so it comes to hip length, but it doesn't overwhelm me because it's ribbed and fitted. I like this a lot. However, let's go over what I already own. I have this cami in burgundy. I have this little top in this fuchsia purpley color. I have a cowl neck sweater in burgundy. And I have this purplish sweater that's also ribbed, and the scoop neck in this like purplish magenta color. Do I really need something else in this colorway? And my answer is no. So for this will be going back. I do like it though. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, the next item I'm gonna show you kind of shocked me. This is the Sashi Candace Delicate Necklace in gold. And you know, when they show the pictures online, this was on my wish list and I think I selected it as one of my items. And I said, oh, I could use another necklace. The cost is $52. This is not how I pictured it. Look how teeny tiny this is. It's actually coming up bigger on camera. This is like half the size or a quarter the size of a dime, that circle. It is so tiny. It actually looks bigger on camera than it does look in person. Where I was expecting the little circle piece to be about the size of a quarter. So yeah, this is no, $52 for this. I cannot justify that. I don't know what this is made out of, but I know it can't be real gold. Maybe it's gold filled. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. I don't know, but I just don't think it's worth it to me. So this will be going back. And it wasn't what I expected at all when I saw it online. Then along is this Threads for Thought, the Milana Performance Tank in red, size small, $49. So the reason why I chose this is I'm going on a cruise and I plan in March, and I plan on being very active on the cruise. And I have clothes for the gym, but they're very functional and kind of yucky because I get sweaty and gross in them and whatnot. I mean, they're clean and whatnot, and they're not stained or anything, but they're just not nice workout wear. It's like functional workout wear. So I thought, let me try this and look kind of cute because it has this cute little detail in the back. It has a shelf bra. You know, it's okay. It's maybe one step above what I'm wearing now as workout wear, and for $49, you know, unless I feel super cute in it, or, oh, that's a cute little outfit, Carolyn, then I'm not gonna buy it. So this will be going back as well too. If it was something that was like to die for, I would consider it, but it's nothing special for $49. And in my regular gym, I would have to wear a bra with this. And maybe on the boat, I don't need a bra because I'm not gonna be doing as strenuous work, but in the gym, I would need a bra, and that would kind of make it like obsolete. I just wore it with my black leggings because this is what I would wear to the gym. And yeah, give me a minute and I will try on the final piece. And oh, that first sweater, I forgot to tell you what the material is. It was 60% cotton, 25 acrylic, and 15 polyester. So not too bad of a mix when it's mostly cotton. But again, it just wasn't doing it for me. All right, give me a minute and I'll try on the last piece. Okay, last but not least is the Sanctuary Bedford jacket in black, size extra small, for $129. So this is a very thick, I'm gonna call it a shacket. I'm gonna stand back so you can see it. It's thick, it's boxy, and it's quite large on me. Let me tell you what it's made out of. It does have some wool in it, and I know some of you have some concerns about wool. This is 64% polyester, 13% acrylic, 11% rayon, 7% nylon, 5% wool. It is lined with 100% polyester lining. As you can see, it comes with an extra button. It has buttons down on the front, the flat pockets here. It has a collar. This is super soft. I don't feel any wool in it. I'll come up close so you can see the texture. It's kind of like furry, like a fleece almost like. Houndstooth print. I like houndstooth, but this one is kind of throwing me off. This to me seems kind of like in my face. I don't know. There's something about it that I'm just not digging besides the fit. And I'll be honest, this is also on Everease's website. So this is like a newer item to Stitch Fix. It's very rare that Stitch Fix gets new like items that regular stores are selling. So when I saw this, and I said, oh, I don't have a houndstooth jacket. I only have a pair of houndstooth pants. I would love to add in a houndstooth jacket. I said, yes, I want that. So when it came up in my selection preview, I definitely selected it and definitely wanted it. But now that I have it, I'm like, eh. So I'll be honest, when I got this first, and I had a coupon from Evereve for my rewards, and I decided to, instead of ordering a jacket or this jacket, I ordered a houndstooth cardigan, sweater vest instead. So that is on the way. And I figure if I have a pair of pants and a houndstooth sweater vest, that's probably enough in the black and white houndstooth, right? So this is going back. Besides, it's just, I don't think it does anything for me. And I styled it the way they suggested on the style card. So I wore a black bodysuit underneath along with my black faux leather straight leg pants and my black mules. And I wore this, and I thought it was a good idea to actually put a bodysuit with it, because I do think you need something form-fitting and tight underneath it, because this thing is just so boxy and oversized. So, 5 items, not keeping anything this time. Let me know your thoughts on this. I mean, there was nothing wrong. Obviously, this is a nice jacket. There was nothing wrong with the sweater. There was nothing wrong with any of these items. It's just that they weren't screaming by me. And meanwhile, I'll be honest, I just purchased 3 things from Freestyle that are on their way here that I really do want. So I'm hoping I like them when I get them, and I'll show you them when I do get them, whether I like them or not. The only thing that really surprised me was that necklace for $52. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's, $52 for that teeny tiny thing. Yeah, I mean, the prices are typical Stitch Fix prices. I don't think the prices are anything outrageous. They're their standard retail prices. For example, this jacket is the same exact price on every site now. The Market and Spruce, $78 for a retail price for sweater. I think that's the going rate. Not on sale, of course, but I just don't need it for that price. I don't love it that much to keep it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you again for returning subscribers. Always appreciate your support. If you like this video and haven't subscribed yet, why not? Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and give me a thumbs up. And subscribing and thumbs ups are free on your behalf. Take care, and until next time.